Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In my video yesterday, I showed you that the lower heat map targets got flushed with a wick down to 115.8K. The next hottest targets were clearly visible above, from 119.7K to 120K, with even hotter levels at 121K and 122K. Right now, it looks like we just cleared the first major level at 120K. On the 1-hour chart, Bitcoin has broken out of a descending triangle pattern. This breakout signals a potential continuation to the upside. Price action is now testing the short liquidation zone just above 120K. This zone will likely trigger stop losses and fuel a potential short squeeze higher. Looking at the indicators, the wave trend oscillator just printed a green dot, signaling strong upward momentum. There are no immediate signs of exhaustion yet. The RSI is sitting around 71, which confirms bullish strength, but also signals entry into overbought territory. Meanwhile, the MACD has just crossed bullish, with a rising histogram supporting this breakout move. From a liquidity perspective, the long liquidation zone below 115K remains untouched. At the same time, price action is now pushing deeper into the upper trap zones, where many leveraged shorts could be forced out. Overall, this breakout is driven by momentum and liquidity pressure. As long as Bitcoin holds above the breakout trend line and continues to print bullish confirmations from the indicators, the short-term bias remains positive. However, we will need to watch closely for any signs of exhaustion as price approaches 120.5K and higher or dips back below the key 120K level. Personally, I have taken partial profits at 120K from my previous entries at 118.1K. Now, switching to the 3-day liquidation heat map, it is clear that the level at 119.7K was completely cleared. Bitcoin is now trading inside the upper pocket, which stretches from 119.5K to 121.5K, and even extends further up to 123.6K. Checking the 1-week liquidation heat map, we can see the hottest areas are still above us, mainly at 121K and 122K, with the primary hot zone extending all the way up to 124K. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.